My Canva app experience used to be extremely frustrating. It was consistently slow, it crashed frequently, and despite being connected to high-speed internet, it often showed a no internet connection error. At times, it even asked me to reload the app completely. But that changed. After applying a few key optimizations, the Canva app now runs up to 5 times faster. If you're experiencing similar performance issues with your Canva app on Android, stay with me. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 essential steps that will significantly improve the speed, stability, and overall performance of Canva on your mobile device. Step 1. Update your Android operating system. Begin by opening your phone's Settings. Scroll to System or About Phone, depending on your device. Tap System Update, then select Online Update to check for the latest version of Android and install it if available. Note, if the options on your device differ, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. Step 2. Update the Canva app. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon, then go to Manage Apps and Device. Select See Recent Updates. If Canva appears in the list, tap Update. If it doesn't, your app is already up to date. Step 3. Optimize your internet connection. Navigate to SIM card and mobile network settings. If your phone supports multiple SIM cards, repeat the following steps for each. Tap on your SIM, find preferred network type, and select the strongest available option, usually 4G or 5G. Step 4. Enable game mode. Game mode boosts performance by optimizing your device for high-demand apps. Go to Settings, locate Game Mode, and enable it by toggling the switch. Step 5. Disable Battery Saver mode. Battery Saver limits your phone's processing power to conserve energy, which can reduce Canva's performance. Open Settings, tap Battery, and turn Battery Saver off. Step 6. Activate Do Not Disturb mode. This helps avoid interruptions during your design sessions. Go to Settings, tap Sound and Vibration, then select Do Not Disturb. Toggle it on. Step 7. Remove junk files and unused applications. Freeing up storage improves system speed and responsiveness. Go to Settings, tap Storage, and select your storage device. Allow your system to scan and remove junk files. You can also manually delete unnecessary files using your file manager. Segment 8. Install a Game Booster app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Game Booster. Download and install the app. Launch it, accept the terms of use and privacy policy, and tap Start. Finally, tap Activate 4x Game Space and allow the app to optimize your device for peak performance. By following these 8 steps, you should notice a significant improvement in your Canva editing experience on Android. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more practical tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.